Alright, check it out, guys. So look who's here. It's Kaya. Look at she put that on. Alright, so today, well, Jordan's in class right now. So he does online schooling, so he's in class. Kaya's here with Daddy, yeah!
Yeah!
And Crunch Mom went to her dentist appointment. She's at the dentist.
Oh, yeah!
Yeah. So today we're actually, after she gets back and after Jordan's done with school, we're gonna head over, hopefully grab our Christmas tree. The weather's not so good right now. It's overcast, it's rainy. We're gonna try and head over and grab our Christmas tree, and then we're gonna decorate the Christmas tree. We're gonna decorate our house, and then we're gonna probably do some gingerbread houses. I want to make some gingerbread houses. And then after making gingerbread houses, I don't know if it's still going on, but we were supposed to go through kind of like a light festival thing that we went to last year. If it continues to rain, I think it's going to be canceled because it's obviously outdoors. We'll probably won't do that, and we might just do a little live session. But we'll see how it goes. The weather's kind of poo-poo. Oh. Okay, we'll see you guys in a little bit.
Bye!
Bye-bye! Alright, so I'm in the garage right now. I'm going to be getting our Christmas stuff out of... Oh, it's so dirty. Crunch Mom got back. She went to her dentist appointment. I'm assuming everything went really well. I didn't talk to her yet because she went over and put Crunch Baby to sleep. She still takes naps throughout the day. Well, one nap. But it's okay because it kind of gives us like an hour or so of just getting stuff done. So she's gonna take a nap. Jordan is still in class, and then once he's done with class, she'll wake up, and then we'll head out and we'll go get our Christmas tree. We'll decorate the outside of the house, and maybe at the end we'll do the gingerbread cookies, and then if we do and it's not raining, we do go see the lights, but we'll see. But for now, I gotta go and organize and take all this stuff out. Actually, I guess it's really not that much. It's pretty much this, I think. I mean, there's so much stuff in this garage. I thought I had them all in one spot, but I guess not. But yeah, check it out. All right. So that's it. Oh, whoa! All right, so we just came out. We're gonna go pick up a Christmas tree, but taking a look at where they actually sell the Christmas trees, we're at Costco. So we get a fresh tree every year, and right now we actually came to Costco because we know that Costco sells trees, but either they're sold out or they're not selling them right now because the trailers that they usually sell out of are closed. So we're gonna head inside. We're gonna try and find out what's going on. Maybe just because it's raining, so I'm assuming that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Are you better now? Oh, what are you doing with your? Show mommy what you're doing.
What are you doing? Oh, hi, Kaya.
Okay, so we're gonna head inside. We're gonna see what's going on. We're gonna head inside. We're gonna see what's going on. Okay, so we're gonna head inside. We're gonna see what's going on. I don't see them. Maybe because it's raining, they're not selling them right now. Which kind of makes sense. But we'll go take a look. We'll go ask someone that works there, and then we also need to find some pajamas for Jordan.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna go check and see what they have here because it's getting cold and Jordan's pajamas are too small on him. He's growing.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Oh my goodness. All right, so we just asked the lady in the front. So they're sold out of Christmas trees because they only get a limited stock. So they sold out, which we were kind of late to the game. Anyways, we're gonna head over to a different place and try and find one over there. But for now, we're just gonna go shopping at Costco.
Somebody fell down.
Yeah, someone fell down. We don't know. We'll find out. All right, so we just finished up shopping at Costco, and someone in line actually passed down. Oh, wait, you guys sit there. So someone in line, we don't know exactly what happened, but we looked over and someone had fallen. There was a thud, and someone fell down. So they called 911, and there's firefighters, paramedics. Hopefully they're okay. We don't know exactly what happened, but they controlled it pretty well. They got attention, and actually they came by really fast. They were here within like 4 minutes. Pretty good job, guys. But we're gonna pack it up and we're gonna do a quick little mukbang inside the car with Costco foods. All right, guys, so we just finished up our mukbang and we are now heading over to our next stop to go pick up a Christmas tree.
Yeah.
Hopefully they don't sell out. Oh, there she is. Hi.
Look up. To the camera. Let's camera.
Oh, hi.
Hi, guys.
All right, so hopefully they have a Christmas tree. Let's go check it out.
Yeah.
Don't pick your nose. That's gross. How embarrassing.
No.
Ew. All right, we'll see you guys there. All right, we stopped by at Home Depot and look at all these trees. Check it out. Yeah, we gotta find a tree. What kind of tree should we get? Should we get a noble? I think a noble looks better. Look at these little guys. These things are tiny. All right, so we picked up our tree. We got our tree here. Woo, 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 we got our tree. All right, so we got a 6 to 7 footer. Yep.
Excited?
Home. Everyone buckled in? Everyone buckle in. Here we
No,
go.
Kaya's not in her chair.
All right, let's go.
We gotta go home and decorate.
All right, we got a Christmas tree, so now we're going to go home and decorate it. It's a good thing we stopped by at Home Depot.
My best day of my whole life.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
It's just a Christmas tree, though.
No, Uncle.
Just a Christmas tree.
It's just a Christmas
What are
tree.
you, the Grinch?
Oh, my goodness. All right, we'll see you guys in a little bit. We're going to head on home. Check it out. Santa's here. Santa's here. Oh, Santa hug.
Also, come guys.
And then you got those guys there.
Guys, I'll show you.
Okay, go
I'll show you all the decorations we got. Okay, guys, so this is what we decorated. Our tree.
Cool, and this has always been our little... that guy has always been our Christmas tree topper for however long we've ever had trees. That's our star. Check it out. So you got the Marvel characters like Thor and Captain America. And then you got Ampaman here. And then we got one from Canada. Thank you guys. Last year they sent us this from Canada. So cool. And then look at it. It's Baby Jordan. All right, so we got our tree. We decorated it. We did some outside stuff. Cool. Make some gingerbread house cookies. Whoa! All right, so we got these at Lazy Dog Cafe. These things are super cool. 100% of the proceeds from Lazy Dog when you buy this thing goes to Habitat for Humanity. Super cool. They sell them at the restaurant, so you can actually go to the restaurant. Oh, sorry. Are you gonna talk?
Can you
Okay, you talk. Okay, you let them know.
What is that, Kaya?
Day food.
Oh, okay, I'll talk. Can I talk? Can I tell them? Yeah. Okay. So they're gonna build it right now. Their auntie came over. They're gonna build this. It's gonna be super cool. All right. Oh my goodness! Don't open it, Mister.
You're supposed to only open the tip.
Oh no! We're gonna have to put it in a zippy bag. But this is what you get. Look at this. Check this out. So little holly leaf decoration candies, gummy gum drops, some Twizzler looking licorice things, and look at these cool little things. Nice.
Kaya.
Oh, okay. Oh, and then gobstopper mini dot things, and then you get your little gingerbread houses.
Yeah.
Wow.
Should we build it on this?
All right, let's try and time lapse this thing. We'll see how it goes. Oh, and then it comes with a little tray. Check that thing out. Whoa, humanity for dogs. Or no. Habitat for humanity. Whoa, 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 lazy dog.
Mommy.
Ooh, how's everything going? You guys are making your house. Oh, look at this one. Ooh, that's looking pretty good. Oh, how's yours going, Kaya?
Good.
Oh, good. Nice. Whoa. These are gonna look so cool.
I'm so excited.
You're so excited. Oh. What are you doing? All right, decorate your house. Let me see. What the? What was that?
Show Daddy your tongue. Oh.
Oh, not that bad. Oh my gosh. Look at her. Look at her. Every
Show
time
Daddy
she...
your fingers. Your thumb.
Oh my gosh, it's so great. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's look at Jordan's house again. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh. Oh no, it fell down.
Okay.
Oh no, are you okay?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh. Oh, look. Here's an update on Jordan's house. That's looking pretty good, mister. Oh, he's so focused. All right.
Here's mine.
Nice. Let's check out Jordan's. And then let's look at Kaya's. Whoa. All right, guys. So make sure you guys stick around to the end. We're going to go see some Christmas lights and maybe even Santa.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. We'll see you guys next time. Woo. We'll see you guys. Kaya, bye-bye.
Still gonna make this though.
Oh my goodness, we gotta still make that. You're right. Kaya, bye-bye. Oh goodness, okay. All right. Guys, whoa, we're here. So we drove down to Lake Forest, California. California. So we drove down to Lake Forest. Oh gosh. And oh goodness, turn that light on. All right, so sorry about the low quality. It is dark. We try to turn on as many lights as possible, but we're heading over. We're gonna go see the lights. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go see them. Woo woo woo. Oh gosh. Oh no. Do you see these lights too? Look at these lights right here. Look at the light bulbs. Oh, that's that, Gigi. Don't touch it. Let's go. I don't know. Where's she going?